Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare VS Code versus Colab. We will explore their core functionalities, key advantages, and ideal use cases to help you decide which platform best suits your programming needs. Understanding their fundamental differences is crucial for efficient development. We will delve into local versus cloud environments, customization options, and resource accessibility, providing a clear overview for your projects. VS Code shines as a powerful, local integrated development environment, offering unparalleled customization through thousands of extensions. You maintain complete control over your machine's hardware and software, making it perfect for large-scale software engineering, web development, and complex local machine learning tasks. It supports offline work seamlessly and integrates deeply with your local version control, providing a robust and flexible coding experience. Google Colab provides incredible cloud convenience, granting free access to powerful GPUs and TPUs, essential for demanding machine learning. It requires zero setup, running entirely in your web browser with all necessary libraries pre-installed. This makes it excellent for rapid prototyping, educational purposes, and collaborative projects, allowing easy sharing of notebooks with colleagues. It's a fantastic resource for quick, resource-intensive deep learning experiments. To choose, consider VS Code for deep local control, extensive customization, and large-scale development. Opt for Colab when you need free, powerful cloud computing resources, browser-based ease, and simple collaboration. Think about your project's size, team dynamics, and hardware availability. Remember, these tools are not mutually exclusive. Many developers leverage both, combining VS Code's local power with Colab's cloud capabilities for a comprehensive workflow.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.